Welcome to Barbara's Bits. I'm Barbara Venezia, and today I'm at the LA Car Show, seeing what's hot in four wheels. BMW i8, that is very cool. Jeep Wrangler.
Remember the Jeep?
Okay, so now we have an artist inside the Fiat, and there's a screen, so it's painting the ceiling of the Fiat. Look at that with little wings, how cute. This is the new Corvette Stingray. That's pretty.
You ready for a cup of coffee?
Pink Lamborghini. Wow. That's different. I wonder if who's ever driving a pink Lamborghini is Mary Kay lady. And of course, exotics. You can't think of exotics without thinking of Lotus. And this is the GTR1. It's at the Galpin Ford exhibit. Hot looking car. Of course, I'm attracted to brightly colored vehicles, and this Volkswagen Cross Blue Coupe caught my attention. One of my favorite cars, Bentley. BMW i13. Mazda. At Ford, people are in the simulators. Ford concept car. So here at Toyota is the Distracted Driver Simulator. That's interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get in a simulator that's going to test my distracted driving. And then people will be able to see that on the monitor. So let's see if I can drive and not be distracted.
Hold up where you can see it.
Alright, I can see it. Yeah?
Alright, gas, brake, and steering like you're actually driving.
Wow, this is hard to do.
Alright, see if you can pull your cell phone out.
Cell phone. Do I even have a cell phone?
There you go. Now you're
Ah! Okay, so they would definitely pull me over thinking I was drunk.
Clearly.
Okay. You've completed your simulation.
Alright,
Oh
let's see a
my
little
God.
results up
That was wild. Wow.
there.
I'm like dizzy.
Speeding, you crossed the center line 4 times and you went off of the road 4 times.
You didn't crash the car.
Got too much blur.
Close, a couple times.
God, I certainly was not a good driver. Oh my God, so I'm a distracted driver no matter what. Well, that was fun. Until next time, I'm Barbara Venezia, and thanks for watching Barbara's Bits.